you're adding contacts to the phone system using the company directory, you must have admin rights. It's also important to note that any changes you make in this dashboard are for the whole phone system. Log in as an administrator. Click on the Administration tab and then select Company Directory. This will show you all the contacts you have listed. Click the Add button. You can choose to add a single contact or upload contacts in bulk. If you're adding a single contact, fill in the details of the person and click Add. It's important to note that you'll see 3 dots appear on the screen, but there's not visual confirmation that that contact has been added. But don't worry, it has. To bulk add, go to the same location, click Add, and choose Upload Multiple Contacts. If this is the first time you're doing a bulk add, then you need to download the Excel template first. Fill in the template and save it. It's important to note that zeros won't show when you fill in the spreadsheet, but they will show when you import the data into Gamma Horizon. Now that you've saved your template, you will need to click the Browse button to upload it to Gamma Horizon. Click Upload. The details will appear, and to confirm these are correct, press Confirm. You'll see the 3 dots briefly appear, and now your bulk upload of contacts is complete.